Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing a full face using TikTok Shop makeup, and here is a full bag full of just makeup from TikTok Shop. To make this video more interesting, I'm going to be using brushes and also sponges found on TikTok Shop. So let's get started. I already went in with this, which is the Glow Hub Baby Beam Illuminating Primer, and this went viral by Emilia Olivia, who used this as a sort of a primer to give that glowy base, so similar to the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, and I love the way that this looks. I'm using these brushes that I found on TikTok Shop, and they are amazing quality, and I think they were less than £10, so that's a bargain. Now for eyebrows, I'm going to use this angled brush here, and it also comes with a spoolie, and I'm going to be using Pink Honey Wonder Whip brow pomade. It has the cutest packaging, like look at this, it's a honey pot. I've been setting my eyebrows with a gel lately, and I haven't been actually filling them in with any product. I used to use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, but this one glides on smoothly and is actually much more affordable than the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. And I picked up the shade Dark Brown. And quickly just blend this out with the spoolie side. Next up, I'm going to be using this, which is the H&B Cosmetics Luminous Skin Tint. I love their foundation, but that is much more full coverage. I am a huge fan of H&B Cosmetics for their bases, so most of these products from my base will be from H&B. This is in the shade GT5 for reference. And here is the famous Coco Cosmetics sponge. This glow tint is amazing. It gives the most nicest glow to the skin, but doesn't give a lot of coverage. So if you have a lot of blemishes that you want to cover, then you might have to go in with a heavier coverage concealer. But if you just want a lightweight to even out your skin and give that nice glow, then this product is amazing for that. I like using this in winter because I have dry skin, and this gives a nice glow. Concealer, we're back with H&B Cosmetics, and I have two here in the shade SF 1.5W and SF 2.5W. I'll just mix them both up. I actually replaced most of my drugstore products with H&B Cosmetics because it's super affordable and the coverage is amazing. I love the way every single product looks. I'm using a very viral product, which is the Pink Honey BFF Bronzing Face Frosting. I've had this in my collection for a very long time, but I just didn't get the chance to use it, so I'm actually excited to try it out for the first time. Use the same brush that I used for the illuminator. It's actually a nice shade. I've just applied the bronzer to my face. I do like the colour. It's not as dark as I would usually go, and it has a nice olive undertone, I would say. Next, I'm going in with some blush made by Mitchell Curve Case, and I love the release of this product. It has a lot of shades that are suitable for a lot of skin tone, and it's super inclusive because there are 3 versions for this, for lighter, medium and deeper skin tone. And I picked up the medium curve case, so I'm going to go in with Sweet Cheeks as my blush. The pigmentation in this blush is amazing. As I have dry skin, I do like to use a lot of cream products and liquid products. I don't use powder as often. Next, to set my face, I'm going to use the H&B Cosmetics Soft Focus Loose Powder, and I'm using it with the Trigwell Cosmetics Powder Puff. I'm not going to bake it for too long. This gives a nice finish to the face. I love it. Pat it in actually. I'm going to quickly just pat that in. I'm going to add some blush in Drip Drip as a highlighter. This looks amazing as a inner corner highlight, blinding highlight. Next, for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the P. Louise Wedding Wish eyeshadow palette. P. Louise pigmentation for eyeshadow is insane. It is amazing. I have been using eye base for a very long time. Quickly use some of Ring on it. This on my crease. Use a little bit of Invite Only as a base, as a glitter, because I will be using a pressed glitter. Pressing that all over my eyelid. Next, I'm using my favorite pressed glitters, and these are from With Love Cosmetics. I'm trying to fill in my palette, but here are the shades that I have currently. These don't require any adhesive glue. The shade I'm using now is Mocha. And you just have to just press it in. I'm going to quickly set my skin using the Wee Sherry Setting Mist. This thing smells amazing. And it gives the nicest glow. So if you have a lot of powder, this would definitely sort of mesh everything together. Lashes, I'm using Tatti Lashes. I have been using Tatti Lashes for years and I have a huge collection. The style Cali Vibe. I'm trying on this style for the first time, so I'm not sure if it's going to suit my eye shape. I'm not wearing any mascara or eyeliner because I don't have any from TikTok Shop. But this style actually does look really nice. I actually ruined the lashes on this one. It came off. I think I pulled it a bit too hard. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Made by Mitchell Liquid Blusher. I've seen people use this as a lipstick, so I'm going to try that out today. I'm going to go in with some lip liner quickly. And I'm going to use the shade Making Mauve. That does look nice. I like it. To be a little bit extra, I'm going to use the Drip Drip on my inner corner as well. I do like the way the drip drip looks in the inner corner of my eyes. It will be perfect for festive season. That's done for the look using TikTok Shop makeup. Let me know how you found it and what is your favorite TikTok Shop brand and what makeup product do you love from TikTok Shop. I am a huge fan of H&B Cosmetics. I use it regularly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give a like and also don't forget to subscribe.